guys, welcome back to Jeeping with Kinsley. So today I'm going to change out the little shocks we have right here. These little fellas right here. I'm going to, they're pretty new, but they have been failing on me lately. Right now it's holding up just fine, but here, yesterday it was a little more chilly. I don't know if you can see me right there. It was a little more chilly yesterday, so it didn't want to hold it up. Actually fell on my head. It wasn't very fun. So it's kind of holding up, as you can tell, a little bit here, a little bit there, but it doesn't want to push them up. And yesterday, literally, like I said, it dropped it down right on my head. So we're gonna change it. They're pretty old anyways. They're like 10 years old now. So we got some of these new ones, some of these really tough ones, hopefully, and we'll see if they hold the test of time. So guys, thankfully with Jeeps, it's pretty easy to fix mostly anything you have to do on there. At least the older Jeeps, like this one, the 97 Jeep Cherokee. All you really need is a Phillips head screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. So first we're actually just going to undo the two 10mm bolts right here, or screws right there, and then we'll pop this little piece in the bottom off. I'll show you guys how it looks. Hope that's a good angle, but let's see here. Taking out the new one, make sure I have that ready. And just take out the little bolt right there. Bada bing, bada boom. And I lost my screw there for a second, guys. Goodness gracious, I was scared there for a minute. When you do this, it might be good to have someone help you, but I don't have anyone to help me, so I'm doing it by myself. So, those are loose. As you can tell, the shock just kind of fell right there. This little thing down here is really easy to pop off. Just put your screwdriver, your flathead right in here, pull the little thing out, and it comes off like nothing. So let's put the new one back on. We'll just do that in reverse order. So we'll do the little thing right there. Oh goodness, little thing right there, and we'll just pop that on, just like that, and then so essentially, that's how you do it. You just have to line up the holes, of course, and get it to go into the right spot. So, not too hard. Like I said, probably be easier if there was two people here, but whatever, we'll figure it out. I'm pretty good at Jimmy rigging my way and figuring stuff out anyway, so no worries. Just like that, that one is done. Very nice, very nice. So even with just the one on there, it pushes it right back up really nicely, and that's even from there. So that's pretty cool. Let's get that other one on there. Alright, with that view, you guys should be able to see both things without me having to wrestle with it. So that'll be fun. A lot nicer, that's for sure. So we're going to have the flathead screwdriver right there, and then we have the 10mm socket again, And I'm just going to put my head up on here to hold it up there. And just like I did last time, I'm going to pull this down a little bit so I can put my drill in there. Oopsie. Let's see this side, shall we? There we go. There we go. Alright. Flathead turn. Flathead turn. Just like that, you guys. Literally just put your screwdriver in this little tab right there. Pop the little metal piece out, which just locks the little ball in there, and you're done. Same with when you're putting it in. Just all you do is you put your screwdriver, your flathead screwdriver, in that little tab right there. Pull it out a little bit, and you just pop it on, and it will literally lock it in there. So that's nice. Yeah. It's already a little bit easier because the other one's holding up so much of the weight. Gotta love the new things, huh? And they work correctly and not a super pain. Got to really enjoy it. For sure. Okay. Down the back hatch a little bit to line that up a little better. Put my head in the way real fast, sorry. I like to make sure that the holes line up. Oh, that's better. Like the finger starting, just to make sure they're not gonna strip or mess up the screw. Alright, so now pull this down a little bit. Y'all, I am some kind of special, I swear. I was wondering why the second set went on so well, and I didn't have to lift it up anymore or anything like that. It's because I picked up the old one from the passenger side that I just took off and put it on the driver's side that I was taking off the old one and put it on another old one. Good times, right? I picked up the packaging for the new one, and I was like, hey, wait, there's something in here still. What in the world is going on? So now check this out, you guys. It works a lot better, even better than before. So let's check it out. Ready? Here we go. Just gonna barely lift it up. Woo! Almost hit me. That is so much better. It's even harder to push down. That's nice. That is so much better than before. Man, so much better. Alright. Alrighty guys, that's the replacing the shocks on the back hatch of the Jeep. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll do more later. Thanks guys. Have a great day, and please don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Let me know what project you think I should do next.